This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you how to review your digital orders on Amazon. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and subscribe, and let's get going. Go to Amazon.com, make sure you're logged in, and then either select your account in orders, or if you see a button that says return in orders, click on that. It will bring you to the same page. And the orders that you see by default are orders for physical items, but digital items, including Kindle, ebooks, movies that you've ordered from Amazon, and music that you've ordered from Amazon, it will be under the tab that says digital orders. So click on that. And then it will show them to you in reverse chronological order. Now, it only shows by default a limited number of orders for the past 3 months or 6 months. So what you can do is you can select a bigger time frame, like all of this year. Okay. Actually, I haven't bought that many this year. All of last year. Okay. The other thing you can do is you can use a search function. If you know either the title of the Kindle book or the movie, or even if you know a character or an actor in it. And I discovered this when I just searched for instance, I like the Bourne Identity, but let's say that I don't remember how to spell Bourne Identity. See, I spelt it wrong, so it didn't show up. But I know the main actor is Matt Damon. And if I search digital orders for Damon, it shows up there. For more information on how to get the most out of technology, check out our guides, In 30 Minutes Guides, available from our official website, in30minutes.com or in30minutes.biz. Also, if this video helped you out, if you could like it and follow me and subscribe, I'd be very grateful. I release new videos all the time, and I just like to help people understand technology. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.